Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematics with Usman. This short video gives an insight to the graphical approach to completing square method. Students, you are often given with the expression like this, x square plus bx, and you need to convert it into the completed square form. Today we are going to see how that square be completed in geometrical or the graphical terms. You will have the better understanding of it. Dear students, the given equation x square plus bx can be considered as a rectangle, having the first part of it as a square with the width x and the length x as well. However, the second part bx can be represented by a rectangle whose width is equals to x, represented by this line, and whose length is equals to p. So xp will give us the area of it, x square will give the area of this. Now students, in order to complete a square, what we have to do here is we are going to play a trick with it. We will divide this rectangular part of this expression, that is px, into two equal parts. One having the length p by 2 and the second having the length p by 2 as well. However, their width will remain x. So if we do that and place them, one part of it to the right side of this over here and one below this x square part of it, what we are going to get is this form. This is x into x, the first part of the expression. However, this is p by 2 length and this length is also p by 2. So this area represents x square. However, this area will be p by 2 times x or x times p by 2, and this area will also be represented by x into p by 2, which is exactly the same as this area. Now students, you can see that we can complete the square by simply adding one square over here whose length will be equals to p by 2 and whose width will also be equals to p by 2, represented by this bluish square having an area p by 2 times p by 2. Students, now you can see that the length of this given square is x plus p by 2 and its width is also x plus p by 2, which forms a square. As we can see that this length is x plus p by 2 and this width is also x plus p by 2. Now, if we need to find the area of this square, what it is going to be? It is going to be x plus p by 2 times x plus p by 2 or x plus p by 2 whole square. But students, as we can see over here, this part, which is the bluish part, was not the part of our given equation. So we have to take away this area, which is p by 2 times or p by 2 whole square. Or even we can write it like this, x plus p by 2 whole square minus p by 2 whole square. So dear students, now you can see that the given expression x square plus bx is now represented by a complete square, from which you have to take away this p by 2 part. This is how we can geometrically represent the completing square form of a quadratic equation. If you want to counter check that, students, just open this square, that is a plus b whole square can be opened as a square plus b square minus 2 times a into b, and this p by 2 whole square will remain over here. Now you can see that p by 2 whole square, here we are having the positive p by 2 whole square and negative p by 2 whole square. So the both p cancelled out and you are left with this x square as x square. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled out and p times x will remain over here, which is exactly the expression you were given with. And this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Dear students, I hope it has some value to your mathematical concept. As always, thank you very much for watching Mathematics with Usman. See you in another tutorial. Till then, it's goodbye and have yourself a productive week.